Hi, I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking. Melling is excited to announce the release of our new multi-purpose CSIT-LS camshaft and camshaft sprocket install tool. The CSIT-LS is a camshaft install tool for both single bolt and 3-bolt LS camshafts. Its multi-purpose design also makes it a great aid in the installation of the camshaft sprocket or VVT actuator. In the warranty department, we have seen many camshafts returned with a locator pin pushed back into the camshaft. This tool's tapered design will help with the proper installation of the sprocket or VVT actuator. First, start the sprocket on the cam snout, making sure that the locator pin is in line with the locator pinhole in the cam sprocket. Next, install the CSIT-LS tool and begin tightening. It may be necessary to tap the sprocket with a soft face object such as a hammer handle. After the sprocket is fully seated, you can install the bolt and torque to specification. You should never use an impact wrench on the cam bolt. I'm Cale from Melling. Thanks for clicking.